Now this one. First, look, all of you open the book first. All of you open the book and open exercise A of chapter 6, LCM HCF. Do I need to say the page number?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, 56.
No, ma'am.
Page number 56.
Ma'am, page number 56.
Question answer,
that
ma'am.
one. Question number 1 and 2, look at the book. Encircle the prime numbers from the given numbers. Look at your book. Encircle the prime numbers. The numbers are given 51, 37, 8, 11, 23, 87, 97, 56, 2, 31. Can you find the prime number and composite number from this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
Can
we
I
can.
say?
Do I need to do this one? One
No,
and two
ma'am.
I am not done.
No, ma'am.
Okay. And question number 2, just do it by pencil in your book. Okay, 1 and 2. Question number 2, encircle the composite numbers.
Ma'am, 12, 15, 63, 42, and 30, 28.
28, yes.
Sorry.
So easy. Now, Charifa, unmute yourself. Arifa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Question number 1, tell me prime numbers. No, Ipshita, I am not going to ask you.
Ma'am, 2.
2 means? Question number 1, it is given.
Ma'am, today no noise is coming from my side, so.
Yes. Acha. Now, Rifa, say the numbers are given. I am writing over there. 51,
37, 8, 11, 23, 87, 97, 56, 2, 31.
8, 11, then say
Ma'am,
23.
then 23, then 87, then 97, then 56, then 2, then 31.
Acha, that's why, Rifa, you told me that 2. Good. That one is prime number. 1 done. Now, Rifa, 11 is also prime number though. Orgodip, say. Orgodip.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next, Orgodip, 37 is prime number. Yes or no?
37?
Yes?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, as I told, no.
Yes,
Then it will be
ma'am.
yes. Acha, now 23.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now 51.
No, ma'am.
No, good. 31.
Book. Yes, ma'am.
From the answer you are telling, na, Orgodip?
No, ma'am. In the ma'am, prime numbers and composite number down that the prime numbers and composite number are written.
Acha. Acha, so this type of question number 1 and 2 you can 3 starting. Write CW and date.
Ma'am.
Yes, say.
Ma'am.
I wait. Say. I think I have to mute all of you. Acha, number 3rd one, let me explain. Question number 3 given, find all the odd composite numbers between 31 and 60. Keep quiet while I am making you understand. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes, say. Oof. Let me mute all of you.
Ma'am.
Now, no, ma'am is there. And definitely, you know, there will be one question which is not related to the study. Acha, now look at this. Question number 3. Find all the odd composite number. Odd number as well as composite. Between 31 and 60. Yes. Composite number, not prime but odd. Yes. So that means from 31, if it is given between 31 and 60, then one thing remember, 31 and 60 will not be included. We will not take 31 and 60. If it is given between, if it is given from 31 to 60, that means this 31 will be included. Is it clear? Now write. So 31 we are not going to take as it is given between. So first number is 33, then 34, 35. Actually 34 is also composite number, na? But we can't take it. Why? Because odd composite number is given. It is the even number, na? Understood? So 33, 35, 39, 45, 49, 51, 55 and 57. Okay. That means all the even number you cannot take and no prime number you will take. Suppose 41 you cannot take. This one is odd number but not composite. Okay. You have to take those numbers which are odd as well as composite. Rifa, Tamanna, is it clear? Okay. Ujan. Okay. Kazi, write this first. Now, question number 4. Let me explain. Find all the even numbers between 12 and 40. This is a question. Find all the even number. As it is given between 12 and 40, so this 12 and 40 will not be included. You are not going to take. When it will say between. Between means these two numbers you are not going to take. Understood? So from 14 it will be starting. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 in this way. Up to 38 it will continue. Even number. Complete this one first. Amitrajit, Junaid, Shomojit done. Shomojit Malik, be active in class. Where is he? Okay, done. Now let me explain number 5th one. Find the factors. Already from when you were completing that first chapter. In the first chapter I explained. Shaur Jasish? Factors, multiples. Yes. So can you remember it? Shuhana, Ashmita, can you remember? Yes. Okay, good. So basically factor means, suppose factors of 48. So I told you that process. Prime factorization is one more process, but I told you that process. First, break it in such way, 1 into 48, basically divided by 1. Then the answer you have to write. Then divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are, wait. 2 4s are 8. Okay. So the answer is 24. That means we can write 2 into 24 is also 48. These two. Now 3. If we divide it by 3, 316 are 48. So 3 into 60 by 4. Okay, 4 12s are even no need to division. You can easily write this. We are not okay. Let me cover this one. Now 6 8s are 48. Yes, done. Now 7. By 7 it is not divisible. Again by 8. 8 6 are 48. Now the repetition is coming now. Same numbers. Yes. So it's of repetition. Don't take this repetition number. Basically, we will stop here. One time only we will take 6 8 8 6 with. Is it clear? Orgodi might face problem. Okay, so I exactly cannot remember the date. On Monday I'll say the date. You will see the video of that particular date. Understood to Orgodi? When the first chapter was going on now, at that time I explained already about factors and multiples. Okay, basically the rule is, look, 63 though we have to write in form of, in the product of two numbers. Look, 1 into 63, 2 by 2 it is not divisible. Then 3 into 21, 7 9s are 63. Now again look, 9 7s are 63 na, but 9 7s and 7 9 both are the same. Yes or no? So just take up to this. No need to take, and here you will stop. When the repetition will come, you have to stop there. Understood? Okay. The same thing now, how to write the factors. Basically in this U pattern, you have to write the factors. Look, 1 into 63, 3 into 21, 7 into 9. Now in this U pattern, you have to write. Look, 1, 3, 7, 9, 21, 63. Understood? Okay. Complete this one. 5 C, D, E. 5 A, B is your homework. I have done only C, D, E. Complete that, Divankaran. Okay. Shita, Rifa, Debolin. Complete up to this. I am giving you 2 minutes. After that, I'll check your copy. Today only up to 5. Okay. Because there was rules of divisibility test also. So don't worry. This exercise will be completed by Monday. Huh? Achha, those who have completed, they can show me their copy.